there shall be signals for cyclists first, which are integrated with the overall traffic signals. Promoting cycling to work. Corporates shall promote cycling to work, and they shall give to their team members incentives. That is, those who cycle to the office, to the workplace, they shall be given incentives, and they shall also be given free loans, interest-free loans to buy cycles and cash incentives for cycle to work. Then they shall also create infrastructure, that is, secure bicycle parking and then changing facilities, so on and so forth. Funding. This cycling policy does not require much funding from the government. It can fund by itself. If 10% of CSR funds of every corporate shall be utilized for cycling promotion and creation of cycling infrastructure. You know CSR, corporate social responsibility. All corporates are required to set aside certain amount of their profits. So 10% of those CSR funds, if they are earmarked for cycling promotion, that will make available the required amounts. Apart from CSR, any expenditure on cycling promotion by any company shall be treated as business expenditure and shall be tax deductible. Then special tax incentive shall be given to private equity funds, venture capitalists and banks for funding public bike sharing projects. Because there is no funding available. Our smart bike, we have funded it by ourselves. So far we have invested about 36 crores of our own money into that, because no bank, no funding agency has come forward to fund this project. So there shall be incentives for banks and PE funds to fund public bike sharing projects. Then increasing the share of cycling in transportation is a must, and to make walking and cycling more attractive options, cities must focus on safety, convenience, culture and comfort for cyclists and people on foot, that is both pedestrians as well as cyclists. Cycling promotion is an imperative need now to save human lives and increase the lifespan of citizens in urban India. To do all this, it will be ideal to have a separate ministry, Ministry of Smart and Sustainable Mobility, along with a National Cycling Task Force as part of it. Given the gravity of the situation and urgent imperative need to combat vehicular pollution, this is imperative. The National Cycling Task Force to be set up under this ministry shall work on a mission mode such as Swachh Bharat, open defecation free villages, Namami Gange, LED bulbs revolution, etc. All these are very good initiatives of the Government of India, but promoting cycling is much more imperative, much more necessary than any of these initiatives, because of what I told you. It is a killer. The vehicle pollution menace is a killer, and it shall be addressed quickly.